Article 430.102 applies to motors and controllers installed in accordance with Part 3 of Article 430. This allows the disconnect to be located up to 2,000 feet away from the motor and controller. Article 110.58 generally requires a disconnecting means for equipment like motors and transformers, but it does not apply to equipment covered by other specific sections of the National Electrical Code. Specific requirements in the National Electrical Code typically take precedence over general requirements. In the case of the well pump installation, Article 430.102 specifically addresses the disconnect requirements for motors and controllers, which can include transformers used for motor control. Therefore, considering a 25 kilovolt-ampere transformer supplying a lighting receptacle panel and other accessories in a well house, and where a 350 horsepower vertical turbine well pump motor is controlled from a starter, with a feasible disconnect located 1,500 to 2,000 feet away in a main control or power distribution building, a local disconnect is not required for the transformer if it falls under the scope of Article 430.102. Since the transformer is used for motor control and is within the scope of Article 430.102, it is not subject to the general disconnect requirements of Article 110.58. This means a local disconnect isn't mandated for the transformer in this specific scenario.